Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to quickly go over what traffic exchanges are. So what I'm looking at here is trafficswarm.com. This is one of the more popular traffic exchanges out there. So I'm just showing this just to get an example. Now, traffic exchanges, like I mentioned in the previous video, they've been around since almost the beginning of the internet, although it was not really for commercial purposes. Later on, though, a few years after they were created, they were used for commercial purposes. So basically how traffic exchange sites work is that you join a traffic exchange site such as this, and what happens is people will view your site, and you also agree to view other people's websites that will show up on your screen. Okay, so every time you view someone's site, and usually there is a minimum length of time required for you to view that site, to have it on your browser. So usually it's around 10 seconds. But anyways, every time you view someone else's website, you earn credits. And so basically the more websites that you view and the more credits that you earn, then the more times that you can have your website shown to other members of that traffic exchange. Okay, and there are dozens and dozens of traffic exchanges out there. So you can just do a quick Google search. There's also some blogs out there that give tips on traffic exchanges, and they give a top 10 or top 20 list of the top traffic exchanges out there. So you can quickly find out which traffic exchanges are the more popular and high quality ones out there. Now, if you don't want to spend your time viewing other people's sites all day, you could just keep it to a limit of, say, 1 hour per day, or even if you don't want to spend any time at all viewing websites, what you can do is buy credits, so that basically, if you buy credits, you could have your website show up more often without you having to always view other people's sites. Another option for you is if you have an employee or virtual assistant, you can have them view the websites for you and earn credits for you. Another interesting thing about traffic exchanges is that they encourage users to build their own referral networks. Basically, what this means is if you refer people, you will get credits. So this is another way to get more views to your site, is if you actually recruit people or refer people to traffic exchanges, because you'll earn credits for signing people up and also for other things that they do. So then that means you could have more views to your websites.